In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create professional Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram and go to your profile. If you already have an Instagram profile, you can easily switch your personal profile into a professional Instagram profile, and let me show you how you can easily do that. First off, tap at these three lines and then go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you find account type and tools. Just get into it, and that's where you can easily find the switch to professional account. We can tap on it, then hit at continue, then select some option from suggested. I can set my account to blogger or like artist maybe, and also we can turn on or off display that status on our profile. I'll turn it on and set it to blogger. Then I can hit at done to move to the next step, and after that we need to tap at next to finish that process. After that, your account will be automatically turned into professional account. As you can see, now professional dashboard is located on our profile, and just under our Instagram username we can see that blogger status. That means that we have successfully switched our Instagram profile to professional. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.